Hello everybody, welcome to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to download TeamViewer. So let's begin the video. At first, open your web browser and then search for TeamViewer. Once you are here, click on this. It will take you to the official TeamViewer page. Now from here, click on this pre-download button. For personal use, you can use the P version, and if you want it for business or commercial purpose, click on download now. It will take you to the download page. Now from here, click on download TeamViewer. This will start downloading the installer. So there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to Initial Solution for more helpful tutorials. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.